Hello, this is Liliana Franco Rodriguez and I'm going to show you in this video how could I determine that this study is a qualitative one. I typed here some of the characteristics. The first one says it uses a descriptive language. We have here on the abstract. Okay, the name of the study is Developing Speaking Skill in EFL English Course. The abstract says to describe techniques. Here we have another part that gives us or provides the description about the situation. And here I typed an important part or an important characteristic of descriptive methods or qualitative methods. It mentions the what. Here we have the research problems are stated as follows. 1. What factors do contribute the development of speaking skill in EFL English course? 2. What techniques and strategies are used by the teachers to develop speaking skill in EFL English course? A second characteristic, the research is focused on people. On the abstract we have to enhance students' motivation. And we have the keywords EFL English course. There we have many factors may affect students negatively in taking part in speaking. There's another part that refers to people since the results of this study were based on the local, cultural and social context. And the last one here is the method, is mentioned on the method part. This research was designed as an ethnography study. Ethnography is related with people. But there's another part here. The researcher is the first one participating. There's one part here that says the researcher transcribed the utterances occurring in the conversation or interaction of the teachers and students in the classroom. Well, the teacher was there, present, because it says conversation or interaction. The participants, third characteristic, the participants are a small group of people. This part is mentioned in the abstract. It says the subjects of the study were 80 students of Peace English Academy. Fourth point or fourth characteristic, the data collection can be observations, interviews, field notes, surveys, among others. On this part, the abstract, the data were gained from observations, interview, and artifact and field notes. There is another part here in this study that mentions that part. The data were largely collected through observation, and it says the data were documents, interview transcripts, data questionnaire, teaching activities transcript, and field notes obtained through observation, and other written notes. That's clear. It is mentioned in the study. Fifth characteristic, it takes time. There's a part here that leads me to the conclusion of that characteristic. It says the researcher transcribed. Transcriptions take time. Transcriptions of what? He was observing and recording, he or she was observing and recording the process of teaching and learning English speaking in class and outside class. That's clear. We have a sixth characteristic. The data are categorized. Well, we have here categorizing or classifying of strategies, techniques, and variables. It says here, based on data collections that researcher acquired, the data findings be able to be divided into 4 variables. What are the variables? Teachers factor, students factor. This variable has some other divisions, which are these. The other variable is teaching materials, and the last one, seating arrangement. This one is about how the chairs are organized in classroom, where the desk is located in the classroom, and those things about the classroom itself. A seventh characteristic: the purpose of the investigation is to describe, to interpret, to verify, to understand. Here we have the information in the conclusion. The role of a language teacher is to create the best conditions for learning. Teachers act differently in different situations. They use many kinds of teaching strategies and techniques. And there is another part that says about the understanding of this study, which is here in the abstract. Well, that's all. Thanks for watching.